Hello, friends. A couple of days ago, I had made a statement which condemned the brutal murder of a 60-year-old grandmother and a small child. And whilst many people acknowledged that what I had said was right, there were a few people who said, why didn't I condemn the murder and the brutality in which this Mar lady was killed on the 7th of November? Well, let me tell you, I said it then and I'm saying it again, just to set the record straight. I condemned the murder of the Mar school teacher who was brutally murdered on the 7th of November as well. People forget that when last year the two Kuki women were raped and paraded, I was one of the first ones to condemn it. People say that today, because I'm in alliance with some political party, I have to keep quiet. No, I don't need to keep quiet. I've said it then, I'm saying it now. My positions don't change on alliances. My position is consistent, and any sort of rape, murder, cannot be justified. Cannot be justified one way or the other. Do you know a rapist who has raped someone will rape somebody from their own community one day? If you keep quiet today, you are letting a monster out in your own society. A murderer who's killed a child one day will actually come and kill your own children. So we have to understand that we cannot justify murders and rapes just by saying that, oh, they did it first, so we are allowed to do it now. Somebody has to allow sanity to prevail. What are we seeing? We are seeing a blame game. We are saying 2 versus mayor versus 2. You did it first, so I will do it. I did it second, so you are the first one to guilty. You are the first one who's guilty. This sort of attitude is only going to take us behind. There is no solution with this sort of attitude. Some people say, where is the Congress, where is the BJP? Believe me, nobody from Delhi will come to save you. You have to first save yourself. Sitting in Manipur, if you expect people from New Delhi or from Bombay or from Bangalore to come and save you, you are living in a fool's paradise. What is our population? 35 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur. What's our population? It's smaller than one district in West Bengal or UP. On the 23rd, when election results are out in Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the whole country's attention will be there. The media will focus there and people will forget about us. So, if we think that our problems are going to be solved by people from outside, no, it has to be solved within. So that's why I appeal to leaders who are in the opposition and in the ruling government within Manipur. Where is your leadership skills gone? Where is your vision? Sit down. Violence will never solve any problems. Violence will only take your children's future behind. Our next generation is suffering. People whose houses have been burnt are suffering. And if you really want this pain to go away, let's aside politics and bring in statesmanship. So I appeal to everyone who are educated. Let's not fight in the name of tribes. Let's not fight in the name of communities, in the name of religion. What are we doing? We are already a small state. Less population. It's happening in Tripura, it's happening in Meghalaya, it's happening in Arunachal, it's happening in parts of Assam. We are fighting for things which we get nothing for. And do you know the strength of Northeast? If we have to be heard, if we have to economically develop, if we have to be a stakeholder in India's growth story, it can only be through collective leadership, collective unity. When people attack us in Delhi or Bangalore or parts of Hyderabad, calling us names, do they know that they are attacking a Naga or a Kuki or a Tripuri or a Khasi or a Garo or a Maitai? They attack us as Northeasterners on our looks, on our food habits. And yet today, while they think that we are similar, we in our own minds and hearts are trying to create further division. Who has created this divide? A few foolish political leaders. Because of their leadership, will we kill each other's family? Will we attack people who were once your friends? So please don't allow them to succeed. And I urge and pray to everyone that when people like us, we try to make a we try to come out with support, we are bulldozed by saying, why are you speaking for a Meitei? If you speak on another subject, they'll say, why are you defending the cookies? I have no vested interest. All I want is peace. All we want is progress. I'm fighting in Tripura, in my Tiprasa Accord, asking for more seats reserved for the people from Manipur. I'm fighting for your cause in my state of Tripura. And here in your own state, you're fighting with each other. And why are we saying this? Why am I saying this? Because our association, Tripura's association with Manipur, is not of 60, 75 years post-independence. Our relationships, our association with Manipur and Tripura go back to hundreds and hundreds of years. So it breaks my heart when I see families dying, children being killed, women being brutalized, raped. Please, I appeal to all of you all. There are some very intelligent, wise thinking people in your state, but their voices are being scuttled because they are scared of speaking out for being called a sellout in their own community. But I know that you know the solution does not lie in violence. Don't allow criminals have no community. Don't allow criminals to become leaders and spokesperson for your community, because these criminals will one day come back and brutalize us. Today they are justifying the violence. Tomorrow, once they are established, they will come and kill their own. My only appeal to all of you all is, let there be peace, and I wish everyone that sanity prevails in your state of Manipur. I want a prosperous Northeast, a prosperous Manipur, a prosperous India, and that can only happen with humanity and peace and positivity. Thank you.